sponge. Sponges and rounds. It looks like sponges.
There's big Are you taking pictures?
Yeah. Look at that big one. There's coral fish there, huh?
We have the soft and the hard corals. As a general rule of thumb, anything you guys see down there swaying about in the current, like these guys right here, those are all soft corals. Anything you see not moving about in the current, something that looks like a rock, that's very stable. Everything else down there, that's all hard coral. Now, both soft and hard corals are made up of hundreds of the hard, soft coral organisms themselves. The most predominant species of soft corals we have out here on the reef, we have sea rods, which are the long, slender guys. They grow about 6 feet in length. And we also have corky sea fingers, or cat's tails, which is sometimes referred to. Now, those are shorter, and they tend to be a lot fluffier. Soft corals can be seen in either one of two stages out here. They can be seen in the dormant stage or the feeding stage. Now, when they're dormant, they take on a purplish tinge and they're very thin. When they're feeding, however, what they do is they extend hundreds of thousands of little tiny feeding arms into the current. And with these feeding arms, that's how they grab all kinds of plankton and microorganisms from the human brain. Very good. We also have cotton.
What's that called? Fish.
I think that was a lizard fish.
A lizard?
Yeah, lizard fish. Lizard fish or snake fish. Yeah.
What's this right here?
That's a bream. That's a bream.
Bream.
I'm talking about the fish.
Okay, gotcha.
That's what mate.
How deep?
All right, thanks.
One lady here just asked how deep we are. We're looking at about to the sandy bottom here. That may be 7 feet. But to this core right here, that may be 3 or 4 feet. And Tony said our job is to get you guys as close to the coral as possible without hitting anything. And that's always a huge thing, not to hit any reef. But as a matter of fact, all glass bottom boats are built to float with the glasses taken out. If all these glasses were removed, the water would rise about 12 inches up because each of these compartments is sealed from one another. And that would be about it. Now back to the hard corals. We have cauliflower coral out here, which is the brighter yellow guy. Resembles a head of cauliflower. We also have staghorn coral. Now staghorn coral doesn't look like the other two guys. It grows in branches and resembles the antlers of a deer. One of the only stinging corals that is present in Bermuda's water is the fire coral. Now fire coral also grows in branches. It's vivid red or brick red in color. And if you guys are doing any snorkeling or what have you, you want to stay away from this guy. What he manages to do, if you brush alongside it, he'll inject hundreds of thousands of little stingers or pricker pines, if you will, into your skin. And these prickers contain a nasty venom which causes a rash lasting anywhere from 2 hours to 2 days, depending on your tolerance to the venom. You might notice a kind of algae growing all over the coral here, all over the hard corals. Now that algae, if left unattended, would eventually kill all the hard coral. And Bermuda was built by corals. This is all coral here, or extinct or dead coral, which is formed limestone after thousands of years. And if this algae, like I said, was left unattended, it would eventually kill the coral. We have a unique organism out here known as the parrotfish. Now the parrotfish feeds on this algae, and what he does is he goes along with his beak-like mandible. He has a mouth or beak like the parrot, like the bird itself, and he feeds on this algae with his beak, and that's what keeps here's some staghorn coral right there, and he keeps this algae down. Otherwise, the hard corals would eventually die, like I said. That's a female parrotfish right there. See that guy right there, the purple so. And they have no brains, no hearts, no eyes, no ears, just big stomachs basically. And they just travel very slowly along the bottom of the ocean, or the bottom of the sea here, and taking in the big fish. Okay, this is these fish that we're seeing right here. These are chubs. Yeah, those are chubs. And dark gray guys. They can be eaten. I've never actually eaten one, but quite a few friends of mine actually enjoy eating chubs.
Oh, they're beautiful.
The lighter gray guy with the black spot in his tail, that's the Bermuda brain. There's a brain right there. We don't actually open the stern section of the wreck just a second ago. If you guys saw some sharp lines, or just a sharp line area, that would have been the stern area of the wreck. Anything that has a sharp line to it, natural, that would be the wreck. Yeah, we get many species that live around the wreck area. When we get back up to it, you notice there's all kinds of soft and hard coal growing all over the wreck itself. You can see these chubs and brains hanging about here. These guys, they love to hang about the wreck. We actually going to be doing a fish feeding in a little while for you guys. And I guess they stay around here for two reasons. There's a sign on the bow of the wreck here that says guys, 18 and 20 footers. Each when you get the occasional dusky shark, maybe a black tip or a white tip. Those are smaller reef sharks. They go to about maybe 6 to 8 feet length. That's what you're really scared about. They wouldn't really harm you if you came in contact with them in the water. But sometimes what they do is they'll follow the cruise ships in because they dump the waste overboard when they're coming in. But you don't do dumping? Okay.
Not anymore. That's fine.
You got a ship dumping? And all kinds of microorganisms that are flying by in the current. Okay, this is the stern section right here. This is the HMS Vixen. And you can see actually a British vessel. They began construction of the HMS Vixen back in 1863. And she was designed by the British Royal Navy as a ramming vessel. She had a Roman-style or Greek-style ramming bow, solid cast iron in construction, and reinforced with 8-inch thick planking along her bow section. And that was just to reinforce the strengthen the vessel. And also during that time, it was still the cast iron was very susceptible to rusting.
They're all falling
with the salt water. So
purposely coming in.
They
love to have their pictures taken.
Special
They call it handfish.
Those are what they use to tie her alongside when she came into port.
Yeah, they like to have their picture taken.
You guys might see a long, slender-looking guy. That's gray in color, the fish there. That's a yellow snapper or a mangrove snapper. And they're actually very good eating fish. I've eaten snapper in one of my favorite. Yeah, snapper is excellent. I've never had red snapper, but I have. You guys are going to be doing it. A picture taken, you don't want to use your flash. Blue over two pieces. The stern and the bow just blew, away from each other, but it still served an excellent blockage area, and no enemy vessels henceforth were allowed to or could enter Bermuda's waters through this channel here. Okay, what we're going to do now, guys, like I said, we're going to be doing a fish feeding. Digging up by the bow of the footrack, so we're going to have it on the starboard side to begin with, the right-hand side. You have Roman-style rounding bow, it's being forward from foot below the surface of the water. Once again, the front bow with the round over the water line. You're going to see that idea. They like to fly their rounding bow. They're very happy to do it. It's like anyone. It's like anyone. ocean swell is breaking on the outer reef about 10 miles away. The weather's going to be much, much better for your return trip out of Bermuda for sure. You can't possibly have the